Hey guys, what's happening? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I generated 20,000 subscribers and how you can do the same thing very fast for your YouTube channel. So if you're here for the first time, make sure that you like this video, of course. Make sure that you subscribe because I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And don't forget to tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So super excited for this video. I was actually going to upload a video yesterday and I didn't because I was waiting to hit 20,000 subscribers. It was like almost midnight last night and I was right around 19,997 subscribers. So I wanted to wait until the next day to shoot this video to make it official. So what I want to do is I want to reverse engineer my channel up to this point and walk you through exactly what I did step by step to create 20,000 subscribers. And there was something that happened between January and really mid-March that was the catapult, so to speak, that allowed me to get to the next level inside of my channel and really create this snowball effect to where, you know, I went from getting a few subscribers, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 subscribers a day, and then jumping up to 50, 60, and then 100, and then 200 plus. How did that occur? How did I do that? I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that inside of this video. So let me first jump over to right here. And this is a little chart you guys can see from January 1st to July 9th, which is today. And you guys can see, or it's actually not July 9th, it's July 11th. So this is delayed a couple days. But nonetheless, you guys can see that beginning of January, 12 subscribers here, 14 here, then it jumped down to 5, then up to 14. So not a whole lot of action going on here, right? And then even throughout February, still not a whole lot of action. And then once we get to March, you guys can see, wow, I started actually getting into the 20s and then up to 37, 38, then 43, and then back down a little bit in April. But then you can see, boom, after the 13th, we just started going up, guys. We just went from down here, 24, 26, all the way up to 169 by the 20th of April. And then it just kept going up. Of course, you're going to have, low days, but you can see that, the curvature here, we're constantly moving up as far as subscribers are concerned. Then even in June, 351 subscribers in one day. And right now I'm averaging, I think, right around, I want to say 160 or so, 150 subscribers. You can jump over to socialblade.com and we could actually probably check it out. Let's actually do that real quick so you guys can see. So I'm not sitting here guessing. Type my name in here and select the channel. And if I scroll down, you guys can see it's actually closer to 200 subscribers a day according to Social Blade. So really crushing it with subscribers. So how did I do this? What I want to do is kind of mind map this for you guys and show you guys exactly what I did to accomplish this step by step and how you can do it even faster than what I was capable of doing. If I jump back to the chart here, you can see that about 15,782 subscribers, we'll call it 16,000, came from the beginning of January to July, right? And I've had this channel for quite a few years now, but I didn't really know how to build one authority channel. And so for the last year, I was testing a lot of different things on my channel and nothing was sticking. And I was trying to go into multiple niches and really give the market what I thought it wanted or what I wanted to give it, in other words, instead of just simply giving the market what it wanted. So I started going deeper into one specific niche, the niche that I knew, which was affiliate marketing. And sometimes I don't like to talk about income and make money online videos and ClickBank videos, although that's great. That doesn't overall give me the fulfillment that I want in my life. I love talking about mindset. I love talking about overcoming limiting beliefs. I love talking about sports. Still love talking about the ClickBank stuff, but sometimes we want to branch out to different other niches and different areas that we're really passionate about, right? And I tried to do that early on. So I wanted to preface this before we, dive into this little diagram I've got prepared for you guys here. But if I could shortcut my success, and if I were you today, this is exactly what I would do. I'm going to show you video by video exactly how I would set it up, how I would structure it, and how I would even generate my first results inside of my business or inside of my life or my passion, whatever it is, and then use that result to build off of to further grow my channel at a much faster rate. So this is how it would go. And then I'm going to show you how I did it exactly inside of my channel. So video one, you really want to figure out what the purpose of your channel is. What are you trying to accomplish? What kind of videos are you going to put out there? Is it going to be videos on mountain biking? Is it going to be videos on golfing? Will it be, videos on, for example, affiliate marketing? And how will the format be? Are you going to do product reviews? Maybe the latest reviews on drivers if we're talking about golfing, shafts, irons, putters. If we're talking about mountain biking, maybe it's tires, maybe it's the bike itself, right? I don't know a whole lot about mountain biking. Maybe it's helmets, maybe it's gloves, maybe it's accessories that you need, depending on the terrain, right? And so you really want to figure out what is going to be the specific vision of my channel starting out. Will I review products? Will I show people different trails? If I'm mountain biking, what am I going to do? And then you're going to tell your audience exactly what that is, what the vision of your channel is. And then all the content that you put on your channel will fall under that vision. So you really want to think about what type of content should the people expect from you. And that's going to be kind of your intro video, video number one. Okay. Then video number two, we start delivering what we promised on video one. What did you learn from the product A, B, C? What did you learn from mountain biking on this trail? What did you learn from running this Facebook ad campaign, right? And you'll document that in video two. And then video three, it's the same thing, right? And then you rinse and repeat. And you could do this for your first 10 videos, your first 3 videos. But we want to get kind of used to being on camera. We want to find our voice because that's part of the challenge. We need to overcome a lot of these fears of being on video because you have to realize, guys, it's not as hard as you think it is. It's like getting to the gym, for the first time in years, maybe you've never been to the gym and it's kind of awkward. You don't know how to use the machines. You don't know how to lift the weights. And so it can be difficult. It's the same thing with video. The first time you shoot a video, it's going to be awkward. You're going to have parts of your video where you mess up. You're going to have parts of your video where you completely go blank. It's just, it's the nature of being human, and it's okay. But you're going to build muscle memory. Over time, it's going to be easier. It's going to become second nature, and you're actually going to enjoy it. One of my clients, her name's Allison, she never thought that she would be shooting videos. And she was an educator for about 40 years, I want to say. And she was very good offline. She had so much knowledge, but as soon as you put the camera in front of her, it was kind of like a deer in the headlights, right? But I told her, Allison, just do it. Keep going. Keep going. It's going to be uncomfortable, but you got to be comfortable with the uncomfortable if you're going to be an entrepreneur. And eventually she got to a point after her first few videos, she's like, man, I actually enjoy this. This is actually really fun. So I challenge you to get to that level, okay? I challenge you to do that. I don't care if you're on video 15, 20 and it still feels awkward. It's supposed to. It's going to start feeling normal probably by video 40 or video 50. And it may even take longer, but the growth is in the process. And it's all about the end result. It's all about building your channel because of the end result, because of what you're going to become. I started my channel because I wanted to become a better speaker. It was deeper than money. So your channel needs to be deeper than money, okay, if you're going to be successful. So then in video 4, for example, whether you're on video 4 or video 12, we at some point want to generate some social proof, some results inside of our business, life, passion, whatever our channel is about. So I'm going to show you 3 ways I generate results in the affiliate marketing niche, in the make money online niche, if you're in the same niche than I am. If not, think about how you can apply this to your own business, okay? So there's three ways. Number one is reviewing products with little competition in your niche. Okay, what this is going to allow you to do is when you create a review around a specific product and you optimize your video for that product. So when people go to Google, YouTube, type in that product name plus review, you appear at the top. Okay, the way that we can do this starting out, if we don't know a whole lot about SEO and the YouTube algorithm, is we go for certain products that have very little competition in YouTube, right? In the top 10 results of YouTube and Google, okay? If there's very little competition around the subject matter, around the product, it's going to be very easy for you to rank and start gaining momentum and even start making sales and getting subscribers, okay? And then we want to actually build off of that, which I'm going to talk about in a second. The second way is launch jacking. This is reviewing new product launches, new products that are on the scene in your specific niche, which means no one's really searching for them. No one has searched for them. The market isn't saturated because it's a brand new product. So what you can do is you can create a review around a product before it releases to the public marketplace. And I'm going to show you how to find websites that will help you find product launches. And I will link that in the description below. It's called launch jacking. Okay, there's going to be a video below on launch jacking, which goes into depth about launch jacking. And I'll even provide some other videos on just reviewing general products. So that's way number two. Way number three is documenting results from other marketing tactics, such as Bing, Facebook, Instagram, and solo ads. So what you would do is you would generate a result on one of these platforms and you bring those results onto the YouTube platform and show people, hey, here are the results that I got. And then you would use that YouTube video to sort of build off of your success. Okay, so for example, I'm going to show you in my channel live right now exactly how you accomplish that. So let me jump over here and let's scroll down, and I'm going to go to the beginning of the year. And I even want to show you a little bit before that so you guys can see what I was doing wrong and then what I started doing right. So this is about 10 months ago, which was right around, I don't know, November or so, October, November. And I did some stuff that was along the lines of what I should have been doing. Like you can see here, I got 1,800 views here, 1,300. I even got one here, 4,400. But most of these have very low view counts, right? Because I was kind of going in multiple directions. I wasn't drilling down deep into one niche. It's like one day I want to talk about tips for online entrepreneurs. The next day I want to talk about how to make money, how to make $100 a day. The day after that, it was like vlogging with my girlfriend. And so I was doing so many different things at once. And you can do this once you build up your channel, once you get to like, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 subscribers. It's okay to kind of start doing this a little bit more. But if your goal is to get subscribers, you want to drill down deep into one specific niche. Okay, so let me show you what I started doing right 6 months in. What I did is I created a result, okay? I did a review on this specific product. It was known as 7-Figure Cycle, okay, which is in the Make Money Online niche. And I did a review on this, and this was from the launch jacking process that I was talking about here in point number 2. And that allowed me to generate $10,000, I believe, in about a week, okay? And even still, I kind of was trying a bunch of different things here, like crypto stuff. I got the shiny object syndrome going on. But once this happened, I realized, boom, that's what I need to start doing in my YouTube channel. Focus on one specific targeted niche. Okay, so if it's affiliate marketing, talk about all affiliate marketing. If it's mountain biking, talk about all affiliate mountain biking. If it's weight loss, everything should be around weight loss, and maybe not just weight loss, but even going further, the keto diet, intermittent fasting, South Beach diet, right? Going really deep into those subcategories. So here, I show people how I made, it was actually $7,729 in 1 week with ClickBank affiliate marketing. And boom, this video is what really catapulted me to the next level. And then I use this video to create my next success, okay? And this is where a lot of people plateau, where they'll do solo ads, they'll even have a YouTube channel, and they'll generate some results and they'll document on their YouTube channel, but they won't build off of those results. And that's actually what I did right here in this video. So I showed the results from my 7-figure cycle launch, promoting that product. And throughout the video, I show people the process. This is actually the video that's going to be in the description. And then what I do is I have a call to action in the description below, telling people, hey, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, can't cover everything obviously in this video, check out the links below. And so when they click this link here, they go to my funnel, my sales process, and when they buy, I make money, right? When they buy the product that I'm recommending, I make money. And what's really cool about this is when I make money, I can use that result to continue to build my channel, right? This is how Make Money Online affiliate marketing channels work, okay? You got to think about how would I apply this to weight loss, whether it's, you know, me losing my first 10 pounds, and then after I shed that 10 pounds, I document that 10 pounds that I lost, and then maybe, I don't know, somehow I leverage that. You got to think outside the box. Somehow I leverage that to, you know, further grow my channel, go from maybe this small success, whether it's 5 to 10 pounds, to maybe helping somebody else do the same thing, and then building off of that, building off of that, building off of that, and really thinking strategically, how can I do this? How can I apply this to my business? And that's really the process. And so I'd build off of that, and I continue to do that inside of my channel, you know, by showing people how I make $10,000 a month on YouTube, and then, you know, how to earn $500 per day. Then I'd show results on how I earned $500 per day. And then once I earned $600 in a day, I document that and build off of that, so on and so forth. This is how these channels work, you guys. So this is, you know, reverse engineering, breaking down my channel in complete detail for you guys. And you can see I continue to do this. How to make money with ClickFunnels, how I made $8,907 with ClickFunnels, how to make $1,000 a day, right? How to make money with YouTube AdSense or the YouTube Partner Program. You know, this last month I did $2,800. This month I'll probably do over $3,000, and I'll document that and show people how I did that, and build off of that and continue to do that. You know, you guys can see how I do that. This is a Make Money Online channel, so you're going to see a lot of income, you know, 10,000, you know, and then I mix in some of my video strategies and some personal development stuff as I've grown. But you can see now 15,000 views here, 4,000, 2,000, 62,000, 5,000, 4,000, 1,000. So you can see that I'm in the thousands. 5,000 here. And it was that one video that helped me kind of get to the next level. So with that said, hope you got value from this video. If you did, like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment below if you have any questions. We'd love to hear your feedback. Did I help you kind of break through maybe some issues that you've been having in your business? And if you'd like to learn affiliate marketing, you know, in complete detail on how to build a YouTube channel like this, I've got my Inner Circle program where I walk you through step by step, click by click, how to do everything. That'll be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.